Welcome back to my channel for another episode of What I Eat in a Day. I am starting off my day like I usually do with a hot cup of tea, and today's tea of choice is raspberry leaf, which is great for your reproductive health. I am pairing my tea with this oatmeal bar that I meal prepped the day before, and I will link the recipe in the description box. These are so filling and so moist and delicious. At lunchtime, I really wasn't that hungry, so I had a little bit of this Quinoa Tabouli. This was actually one of the first recipes I created on this channel, and I will link it below. With my tabouli, I had a little bit of this Bolt House green goddess juice, and I love it because it is a naturally sweet green juice. For a snack, I had some Ritz crackers and some red pepper hummus. For dinner, I am creating fish fillet sandwiches using hearts of palm. This is what they look like right out of the can. Next, I'm going to take a fork and score it down one side. Then I'm going to gently open it up, being sure to keep everything intact to create the look of a fillet. I'm going to show how I did that one more time, scoring it down the side without going all the way through, and then gently opening it up. Now that I've done that to all of our pieces, now it's time to add flavor. Starting off with this nori seasoning that will give it its fish flavor, along with this Old Bay seasoning, and finally some onion powder. And I'm being sure to season each piece very well. Then I'm going to flip them over and do the same on the other side. And here I'm just pressing in the seasoning just to make sure it's sticking to each piece. Next, we're going to batter up our fillets with this seasoned fish fry. You can use whatever fish fry you have on hand. Now I'm going to make sure each piece is nicely battered on either side. And here are all my pieces, and now it's time to fry them up. And I'm just doing a shallow fry in some grapeseed oil. Then we're going to nicely brown them on each side. Once they're done, we're going to pull them out and drain them on a paper towel. Now you can serve these however you'd like, but I decided to create a sandwich. I am using this garlic aioli, but feel free to use tartar sauce or mayonnaise or whatever spread you like. And I'm just going to sprinkle on a little bit of this dill weed. Then I'm piling on some arugula. I'm adding 2 of the smaller fillets to my sandwich. I am serving my sandwich with some pickle spears. Now that really does look like fish. This sandwich was really good and flavorful. It's definitely going in rotation. And to make it even better, just add a little hot sauce. And finally, I had this Margarita Mocktail. Super easy recipe, I'll link below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more vegan content, and I will see you in the next one.